Hello, little friends. It's me, your happy hoppy storytime bunny. Unlock your child's full potential with engaging, research-backed activities that enhance cognitive development, improve memory, boost focus, and strengthen problem-solving skills from an early age. Let's hop to it.
Today, we're diving into how you can enhance cognitive development with fun art activities. Whether you're a parent, teacher, or caregiver, this guide will show you how simple art projects can boost creativity, problem-solving, and brain growth in children. Why art activities are essential for cognitive development. Art isn't just about making pretty pictures. It is a powerful tool for cognitive development in children. Through drawing, painting, and sculpting, kids activate different parts of their brains, improving visual spatial reasoning, problem-solving skills, and language development. When children experiment with colors, shapes, and materials, they're not just creating, they're learning how to think critically, adapt, and express themselves. Key benefits of art for kids' brains. Art activities boost problem-solving skills because they require kids to make choices, plan, and adapt, skills that are crucial for cognitive growth. They also enhance fine motor skills, as using crayons, clay, or scissors helps develop hand-eye coordination and dexterity, which are important for writing and daily tasks. Art promotes creativity and imagination by encouraging kids to think outside the box and explore new ideas. It strengthens memory and focus, as completing an art project from start to finish helps children improve their attention span and memory. Additionally, art encourages emotional expression by providing a safe space for kids to share feelings and manage emotions, supporting their overall mental health. Top art activities for cognitive growth. Let's look at some fun, easy art activities that boost cognitive skills and creativity. Drawing and painting. Drawing and painting help children understand shapes, lines, and space, improving their visual spatial reasoning. You can give your child different drawing tools, such as crayons, colored pencils, or markers, and encourage them to draw from observation or imagination. Sculpting and building. Working with clay, Play-Doh, or building blocks develops spatial awareness and problem-solving abilities. This hands-on activity strengthens fine motor skills and encourages resilience. Collage and crafting with recycled materials. Collage art and recycled crafts teach kids to plan, make decisions, and see value in everyday objects. This sparks creativity and environmental awareness. How to integrate art into daily routines. Don't need fancy supplies or lots of time to make art a regular part of your child's day. Encourage quick doodling sessions, sticker art, or bookmark making during free time. Display your child's artwork around the house to celebrate their creativity and boost their confidence. Tips for parents and educators. Focus on the creative process, not perfection, and let kids explore and make mistakes. Offer open-ended prompts like draw what makes you happy or create your dream house. Praise effort and creativity, not just the finished product. Art activities are a simple, enjoyable way to enhance cognitive development in children. Try these ideas at home or in the classroom, and watch your child's brain and imagination grow.
Well, my little friends, wasn't that a hop-tastic adventure? Start today, and watch your child's cognitive abilities grow stronger with every learning moment. Happy reading, little bunnies. Bye-bye.